Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be covering BPT theorem, which is very important. This is the second video of the triangles chapter. The basics of this chapter and the exercise 6.1 I already covered in the previous video. You can get the link from the description box. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing basic proportionality theorem, which is also called as BPT theorem in short and also known as Thal's theorem. The theorem says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So let's take a triangle ABC. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so I'll draw a parallel line parallel to BC, let be DE, which intersect the other two sides in distinct points. So it intersects the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, means these other two sides will be divided in same ratio, means AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. Now we'll start with the derivation. So we'll write given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC is given. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now construct join BE and CD. So BE and CD. Draw DM perpendicular to AE. So DM perpendicular to AE. So DM perpendicular to AE. Same way EN perpendicular to AD. So EN perpendicular to AD. Now proof. We already know that area of right triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now we'll be applying this formula in this derivation. First we'll be proving the left hand side, nothing but AD by DB. So we'll be taking left side of the triangle. So first take triangle ADE. So area of ADE is equal to half into, so take base as AD and height as EN. So half into base is AD into height is EN. Now next triangle you should take BDE. So area of BDE is equal to half into base is DB, so DB into height is EN. For this triangle EN is the height, so height is EN. So let this equation be 1, this be 2. You divide 1 and 2. Area of ADE divided by area of BDE. BDE is equal to half into AD into EN divided by half into DB into EN. So EN gets cancelled, half gets cancelled. So area of ADE by area of BDE is equal to AD by DB. Let this be 3. Third equation. Now we got AD by DB, which is the left side, like this part. AD by DB we got. Now we need to get AE by EC, Now we'll be taking the right side of the triangle. Now we'll be taking again triangle ADE, but now we need to keep the base as AE. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base is what? Base will be taking as AE into height is, for this base this is the height, so into DM. Now we need to take this triangle DEC. Area of DEC is equal to half into, for this triangle this is the base EC into height is this, this DM. So DM. So let this be fourth equation, fifth equation. So divide 4 and 5. By dividing this, area of ADE divided by area of DEC is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. Half get cancelled, DM gets cancelled. So the remaining is AE by EC, that is area of ADE by area of DEC, which is the sixth equation. Now we got AE by EC. This is equal to the right side of our to prove. We got both AD by DB also we got in our third equation, and AE by EC also we got in our sixth equation. Now we need to compare equation number 6 with equation number 3. You compare the left hand side. You can see here it is area of ADE, here also area of ADE. Here it is area of BDE and area of DEC. These both are different in the equation. So we'll check in the diagram. BDE, this triangle, and DEC, this triangle. We would have already studied in our 9th standard that two triangles which lie on the same base and are between the same parallels are equal in area. Similarly, here also BDE, this triangle, and DEC, they are lying on the base DE and they are between the parallels DE and BC. So I can tell area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Now triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on same base DE and between same parallels between DE and BC. So I can tell area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. This be the 7th equation. Now we need to compare this 3rd, 6th and 7th. Before we discussed, this part was different. Now we proved that this is equal to this. So when I proved this is equal to this, so this whole part is equal to this part, then I can tell AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So by comparing, so 3, 6 and 7, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So hence proved. Now I'll summarize you the entire theorem. So first you write the given which you know. To prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then construction. Now proof. First take left part, AD by DB. So AD by DB. So you need to take this triangle and then this triangle. So apply half into base into height formula. So applying area of ADE is equal to half into AD into EN. Same way for BDE, base is dB and height is En. So write as 1 and 2. Now divide 1 and 2. So area of ADE by area of DBE is equal to half into AD into En by half into DB into En. Half get cancelled, En gets cancelled. So the remaining is AD by DB. So we got the left side, AD by DB. So AD by DB. Now we need to take the right hand side, AE by EC. For this, you need to take this triangle and this triangle. So area of ADE, same way half into base into height, take base as this, height as this. Same way for area of DEC, take base as this and height as DM. So divide, write the name as 4 and 5, again divide 4 and 5. So area of ADE by area of DE is equal to half into AE into DM divided by half into EC into DM. DM half gets cancelled. The remaining is AE and EC. So we got the right part of our to prove. Now you need to compare the 3 and the 6th. We got the right hand side as to prove. Now we need to prove this is equal to this. The numerator is equal but denominator is not equal. So when you see the diagram, the denominator is this triangle and this triangle. I can tell these both triangle lie on the base DE and they are between the parallel DE and BC. So I can tell this area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. So we got area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. Now you need to compare number 3, 6 and 7. When you compare this and this, AD is equal to ADE. Now we prove this is equal to this. So this whole part is equal to this part. Same way right hand part will also be equal, because if we prove left side is equal, then right side is also equal. So at last, by comparing 3, 6 and 7, we got AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, hence proved. This theorem ends here. The next exercise 6.2 I'll be covering in the next video. I hope you understood the theorem. Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of my videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.